Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create easy abstract vibrant mesh background design in Adobe Illustrator. Draw a horizontal box shape. You can use eyedropper tool shortcut I to pick color. Go to object menu and create gradient mesh. Rows 4, columns 4, appearance flat and highlight 100%. You can select anchor points with the direct selection tool shortcut A. Use eyedropper tool to pick color. You can edit anchor points with the direct selection tool. Select shape and copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Apply overlay blending mode from transparency panel. Again copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Select shape and right click and transform and reflect. Select vertical. Finally, your vibrant mesh background design is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's an easy way to create abstract background design in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.